Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this long sleeve pink pajama set. I did a scallop trim on the neckline, the hem, and the sleeves. So the fabric that I got was kind of a lightweight jersey knit with pink rosebuds on it, and it's a mix between a pink and a purple fabric. So the shorts that you see now, I didn't actually record me sewing them because I had a camera glitch, but here they are. I basically take patterns from clothes that I already have. So like this sleeve, I took it from a shirt that I already had and I kind of cut the pattern out and then I put them both together. So here's the initial sleeve, and I do like to do it a lot larger just to make sure that I have enough room because I don't take too many accurate measurements. So then I cut out the outline for the shirt, and I like to sew together the collarbone and the shoulders first and then attach the arms because it makes everything a lot easier just to see. And you can see the extra fabric that I have here just so I know that my arm and my shoulder fits. And make sure you line up your seams so everything is perfect. And as you see here, this is after I line everything up, press down my seams, and get rid of the extra fabric after I try it on a couple times, because trying on is key if you don't have accurate measurements or a pattern on hand. So here I am just getting my sewing machine together, and I basically just sew all of my pieces together, and I like to use clips instead of pins just because it's a lot easier. You save your fingers and you can just clip it on, clip it off, throw it inside your sewing machine. So as I'm sewing, I like to make sure I keep everything together, and it wasn't a accurate fit when I first start my pattern, but by the time I get it to my sewing machine, it's already lined up, ironed up, seamed up. You know, my seams are pressed down, everything's looking professional. So after I do that, I do also like to use my button over my foot pedal. I put my clips away because that's where I like to keep them. And here's the finished result. Once you get everything together, it is super easy, but here is mine. And then also the shorts that you've seen a little bit earlier. And yeah, that is pretty much how I made my pajama set. And I just want to thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube. And don't forget to like and follow. All right. Okay, bye.